what's up everyone? My name is Marina and I'm from Oregon. Today we're going to be installing a hitch on this Acura MDX.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
Let's start by taking a look at our hitch attachment points. Acura did a great job at designing their frame to accommodate hitches. So we already have 6 pre-existing weld nuts in the frame. We have 3 on each side. So let's go ahead and get our hitch ready and we'll start on our installation. We're going to be using the U-Haul exclusive hitch jack to position our hitch in place. If you're doing this at home and don't have this jack, I recommend just getting a friend so you don't hurt yourself while you're trying to put this on. So we're just going to move it forward and get it into position here. As we raise it, we're going to be careful to just scooch past the exhaust there. And you want to watch out on the driver's side as well. You may need to move the exhaust slightly out of the way, but you aren't going to have to drop it for this one. Now we're just going to pull it towards the rear so we line up with those weld nuts. And just raise it till it touches the frame there. Get it so you can see all those weld nuts, and then we will get our hardware and finish up. So the hardware for this hitch includes 6 sets of our bolts and our toothed washer. When you're putting this on, you want to make sure the teeth are facing up so they're going to bite into the hitch and get us a good secure fit. And you're just going to thread it right into the weld nuts in the frame there. I'm going to do a few threads and we'll come in with the electric drill just to tighten them down all the way. We're just going to get them all started. And we'll repeat this on the passenger side before we tighten them down. All right, now that we have all our hardware loosely threaded in, we're going to use our electric drill and a deep 22mm socket to just snug them down before we use the torque wrench for the final torque. And then we'll repeat on the driver's side. Okay, we have our torque wrench set to 139 foot-pounds, so we're just going to torque all 6 bolts down and we'll be all done. You're just going to go to hear that nice click. And then repeat on the passenger side. And you can see how nicely that receiver hitch fits under that bumper. So we're all done. We've got our 2-inch receiver hitch, our safety chain loops, and now you can go ahead and use this for trailering or bike rack, and you can just go out and enjoy the outdoors. Have fun, be safe.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.